File menu. This menu contains file operations. In older version it is an office button. In this menu we can see the options. The first one, the file info. In file info we can see options: protect workbook, check for issues, manage version, browser view option. In workbook protection we can see the options: mark as final. It means after the completion of the workbook we can make it read only. Encrypt with the password. It means save the workbook with a password. This password is necessary for opening the workbook later. Protect current sheet. The current sheet can protect with a password, so the users are controlled for making changes in worksheet. Protect workbook structure. Prevent the users from changing the structure of the workbook. Restrict access. Grant people the permission to access the worksheet for editing, copying or printing. Add a digital signature. Add an invisible digital signature to the workbook to ensure the integrity of the workbook. Second one, new. Create a new workbook. Open an existing workbook. Save the current workbook with their old worksheet. Save the current workbook with a new name. So a duplicate workbook is created. The old workbook is remain unchanged. Print the entire workbook or the current sheet, or we can print the selected part of the worksheet. In printer dialog box we can see the current printer name and the copies, and in settings we can see some options: print active sheet, print entire workbook, print the selection, and pages we can see collated or uncollated. We can change the page orientation as portrait or landscape. We can change here the size of the page. We can set the margin of the printable page. By default it is normal. We can change the scaling of the printing. By default it is no scaling. Next option, share. We can share the workbook to the people as email. In email we can see so many options. Send us an attachment. Or send us a PDF file. Next option, export. Export the file in new format, such as we can export the file as a PDF file. Then we can publish it as a PDF file. We can export the file as the old version of the Excel. We can export the file as a binary workbook. We can export the file as a test file. We can export the file as macro enabled workbook. Next one, close the current workbook. The last one, options. In this option we can change the configuration of the Excel.